latest video on our new purchase. This is an Aprilia SR50 DiTech from the year 2001. The second owner. We bought it from the first owner, who only managed to drive 7,000 kilometers in the years he had it. He bought it new back in June 2001. The scooter is in absolute great condition, as you can see from the footage. Never been fallen, never been tampered with. Still has the original exhaust, no rust on it. The bike had still the original tires on it, 21 years old as well, so they have been changed out for these Pirellis. A very nice tire to roll on. No scratches on the rim. Yeah. Talking about being original, the bike still had the first spark plug and the first V-belt. Both of them I have changed. Just preventative maintenance. Spark plugs, and these DiTech love to eat some spark plugs, so that was a good thing to do. For the age, the V-belt still looked good, but for preventative maintenance, it was better to change it out for an original one. So that has been done. Some upcoming maintenance will be performed, but we will do that outside of the season. Currently it's the time of year to enjoy these scooters, so better have this downtime planned during the winter month. If you look at how the aluminum looks like, you can see it never seen any rain, salt, nasty stuff. It still looks very good for its age. Yes, I could clean the bike a little bit better, but yeah, it's a little bit dusty. Apologies. If you look at the exhaust, it still has the original sticker on it. If you look at the O from Euro, there's a sticker on it. It's never been washed off. That's the state of original we are talking about. I was really set out to look for a DiTech that was untampered with, and I believe I found one. Very good condition. We had to drive quite a long distance for it, but it was worth it. This is all dirt, this is no rust. Yeah, I could wash it away, but yeah, again, it's never seen any salt or nastiness. So the bike is in absolute great condition. I'm going to enjoy it, but it could well go to a museum if you clean it up and look at the exhaust coming from the block. There is no rust, nowhere to be found. Still has the original oil lines, which will be changed out. I will be changing that out during the winter months. Same goes for the fuel lines and the pressure lines from the compressor, the air compressor. Look at the black trim. Absolute great condition. It's not sun faded. Absolutely looking great. The scooter did spend more time in the garage than on the road, but we will make sure we will enjoy it for many years to come. Here you can see it currently says 7,138 kilometers. Purchased it with 6,800 something kilometers, and at the time of recording we are already at 7,300 something kilometers, so it's been well enjoyed already. There you can see the body seat, also looking immaculate, no scratches, absolutely new condition. All the original stickers are there. Here the fuel cap and the oil cap. Underneath the plate is the floating unit. Back to the body seat, fully intact. Usually there is a small tear in the corner. No rips, no tears. And of course the original tools near the battery. All complete in its original package. What I haven't shown but is also included are the documentation and the spare key. This includes the bill of sale. This shows the care that the owner took of this bike. So that was a little introductional tour of the DiTech. Hope you enjoyed the close-ups. If there are any things you would like to see up close or in detail, please let me know. Upcoming is a cold start from the DiTech and some flyby footage. Stay tuned. More videos will come from this beautiful bike, road trips, maintenance, stuff like that. Here I'm showing that the exhaust is cold, so that it's absolutely a cold start. A DiTech absolutely does not smoke, not when it's cold, not when it's hot, never. It's a great contrast with a Minarelli engine. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and until the next time.
Moet ik nog iets zeggen?